Welcome back to our PC Social YouTube channel. The video we are sharing today delves into a topic that can completely revolutionize how you manage your small business. Keep watching to discover critical insights that could profoundly impact your operations. We will examine 10 game-changing case studies, how ChatGPT Search transforms small businesses. As a small business owner, you must stay competitive, innovative, and ahead of the curve. That's why you can't afford to miss out on the invaluable insights we will share today. Case Study 1. Sweet Delights Bakery. Let's begin with our first case study, featuring Sweet Delights, a charming bakery that Mark owns. Mark was eager to update his menu with seasonal desserts but felt utterly overwhelmed by time limitations and many available choices. So, he turned to ChatGPT Search for assistance. He asked, "What are the trending dessert flavors for this season?" and received valuable insights on popular flavors like lavender, matcha, and even some exotic fruit combinations. Empowered by this knowledge, he boldly incorporated these flavors into his menu, much to the satisfaction of his loyal clientele. As a direct result of these strategic changes, Mark saw an impressive 20% increase in sales over just 2 months. This case clearly illustrates how ChatGPT Search can help keep your menu fresh, relevant, and appealing to your customer base. For small business owners like Mark, understanding current trends can be overwhelming. ChatGPT Search simplifies this process, enabling you to stay on top of market demands without spending countless hours researching. Case Study 2. Fit Zone Gym. Next on the agenda is Fit Zone, a local gym that Lisa passionately owned. Lisa was eager to attract more members but wasn't sure about the best marketing strategies to achieve that goal. Enter ChatGPT Search, her new best friend in the business. Lisa asked, "What are the most effective marketing strategies for gyms?" She was provided with various suggestions, such as hosting community events, implementing referral programs, and creating social media challenges to attract and involve both existing and prospective members. By effectively implementing these strategies, she achieved a remarkable 40% increase in new memberships within 3 months. This example shows how businesses can leverage AI to craft targeted marketing efforts that resonate with their audience. Using ChatGPT Search, small business owners can develop marketing strategies tailored to their audience's interests and preferences. This leads to more effective promotions and higher engagement rates. Case Study 3. Chic Boutique. Our third example features Chic Boutique, an online clothing store lovingly owned by Jenna. Jenna dealt with a high volume of customer service inquiries every day, particularly about product sizing and return policies, which seriously impacted her ability to manage her time effectively. Jenna seamlessly integrated ChatGPT Search into her website, enabling her to provide immediate responses to common queries such as, "What is your return policy?" and "How do I determine my size?" What is the result of this efficient customer service approach? There has been an impressive 50% decrease in support inquiries, enabling her to redirect her efforts towards expanding her product line and improving marketing initiatives. ChatGPT Search empowers businesses like Jenna's to rapidly address frequent inquiries, leading to notable enhancements in customer satisfaction and decreased staff burden. Case Study 4. Nature's Essence. Next on our list is Nature's Essence, an artisanal soap maker who was looking to expand her market reach significantly. Unsure of where to focus her marketing efforts for optimal returns, she consulted ChatGPT Search for guidance. ChatGPT Search recommended leveraging platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest for optimal success when it comes to selling your unique handmade products. By prioritizing these channels and highlighting her one-of-a-kind creations, she experienced an incredible 35% surge in online sales in just 6 months. Identifying the right platforms for promotion can be challenging for small businesses. ChatGPT Search provides insights that help you target your marketing efforts more effectively. Case Study 5. Insight Advisors. Our fifth case study features Insight Advisors, a consulting firm led by Tom. He was eager to gain insights into emerging trends within the business consulting industry to serve his clients better. Tom used ChatGPT Search to ask, "What are the emerging trends in business consulting?" The AI gave him invaluable information about digital transformation, sustainability consulting, and remote team management strategies. With this updated knowledge, he secured several new contracts that significantly boosted his firm's reputation. Businesses can gain a competitive edge by leveraging AI tools such as ChatGPT Search to access the latest industry insights, which enables them to make well-informed decisions and stay ahead of their competitors. Case Study 6. Brewhaven. Moving on to our sixth example, we have Brewhaven, a local coffee shop owned by Claire. She was keen on introducing specialty drinks but needed some creative inspiration in a saturated market. Claire reached out to ChatGPT Search for imaginative coffee beverage recipes and was met with a breath of fresh air in the form of thrilling recommendations. These included a tantalizing matcha latte infused with the smoothness of coconut milk and a revitalizing iced lavender espresso that promised a truly rejuvenating experience. After adding these innovative drinks to her menu, she noticed a significant surge in foot traffic during the summer months as customers flocked in to try the new offerings. ChatGPT Search not only helps businesses stay relevant but also inspires creativity. This capability allows you to explore new ideas proactively rather than waiting for trends to emerge. Case Study 7. Explore More Travel Agency. In our seventh example, we present Explore More, a travel agency led by the successful entrepreneur Bill. He was determined to improve customer engagement through personalized marketing efforts but wasn't quite sure how to execute his vision. Bill asked ChatGPT Search about effective strategies for personalized marketing for travel services. The insights led him to create targeted email campaigns based on client preferences and past travel experiences. This proactive approach resulted in an impressive 25% increase in bookings. Marketing personalization plays a vital role in today's market. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT Search, small business owners can effectively tailor their communications to meet individual customer needs. Case Study 8. Book Nook. Next up is Book Nook, an independent bookstore run by Sarah. She aims to significantly enhance her online presence and attract more customers in an increasingly digital world. Sarah consulted ChatGPT Search to obtain targeted online marketing strategies for local bookstores. She received suggestions like hosting virtual author events and book clubs and leveraging social media platforms for engagement. By implementing these ideas creatively, she experienced a 30% increase in online sales during the holiday season. ChatGPT Search allows small businesses like Sarah's bookstore to build strong community relationships through engaging events and targeted communications. Case Study 9. Green Thumb Landscaping. Our ninth case study features Green Thumb, a landscaping business owned by Mike. He wanted to diversify his services but needed insights into customer preferences to make informed decisions. Mike utilized ChatGPT Search to discover sought-after supplementary services that have the potential to entice fresh clientele, such as consultations for garden design and comprehensive maintenance packages. By expanding his offerings based on the valuable insights he received, he achieved an impressive 15% increase in service requests. With ChatGPT Search, small business owners can explore new service opportunities based on market demand, allowing for growth and adaptation in changing environments. Case Study 10. Body Balance Fitness Studio. Finally, we have Body Balance, a boutique fitness studio run by Rachel. She aimed to improve member retention rates through comprehensive feedback analysis but wasn't quite sure where to start. Rachel sought advice from ChatGPT Search on typical reasons why people quit fitness studios and how she could effectively tackle these issues. She implemented changes by addressing key issues such as class scheduling conflicts and offering flexible membership plans, resulting in a remarkable 20% boost in member retention. This case highlights how AI tools like ChatGPT Search enable businesses to be responsive and adaptive based on real-time customer feedback, ensuring they effectively meet member needs. Why should you consider integrating ChatGPT Search into your small business? Here are some key takeaways. 1. Stay current with trends. It helps you keep your finger on the pulse of your industry. 2. Targeted marketing strategies. Develop personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. 3. Improved customer service efficiency. Respond quickly to common queries and enhance customer satisfaction. 4. Enhanced marketing reach. Identify effective channels for promotion based on data-driven insights. 5. Informed decision-making. Make strategic choices backed by current market trends. 6. Spark creativity and innovation. Generate fresh ideas that keep your offerings exciting. 7. Personalized customer engagement. Build meaningful connections with your clients. 8. Building community relationships. Foster loyalty through engaging events and initiatives. 9. Expanding service offerings. Identify new opportunities in your market. 10. Responsive business practices. Be adaptable based on real-time feedback from your customers. Conclusion: it's great to see how small businesses have effectively incorporated ChatGPT Search into their operations. These case studies inspire others looking to utilize this technology for their own growth and success. The examples demonstrate the versatility and impact of ChatGPT Search, offering valuable insights for those seeking to follow a similar path. These real-world examples illustrate the power of conversational AI in enhancing operations, improving customer service, and driving growth across various industries. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content like this, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Have you ever considered leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT Search to enhance your business operations? What challenges could it help you overcome? Let us know, we'd love to hear from you.